These 7 simple exercises can actually help you grow taller, no matter your age. Many people believe height is purely determined by genetics. While genetics set a baseline for maximum potential, your lifestyle, posture, and daily habits play a huge role in how tall you appear. Slouching, weak core muscles, and compressed spinal disc can all make you look shorter than your natural height. Poor posture is one of the biggest contributors to appearing shorter. Sitting hunched over a desk, scrolling on your phone, or spending long hours at a computer gradually compresses your spine. Over time, this becomes a habit. And even standing or walking reinforces a slouched position. Aging also plays a role. As we grow older, the cartilage between vertebrae can compress, bones lose density, and muscles supporting the spine weaken. This can lead to natural shrinkage, sometimes a few centimeters over decades. But here's the good news. With consistent stretching, strengthening, and spinal alignment exercises, you can reverse some of this shrinkage and even appear taller. Let's go through the 7 exercises that can help you grow taller, improve posture, and boost confidence. These are easy to do at home, require no expensive equipment, and are suitable for anyone, whether you're 15 or 51. Pelvic tilt. The pelvic tilt is the first and one of the most effective exercises for improving posture and spinal alignment. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Slowly tilt your pelvis upward, squeezing your glutes, then gently lower it back down. Why it works? Many people have tight lower back muscles that pull the spine out of alignment. Pelvic tilt strengthens your core and lower back while stretching the spine. Improved posture instantly makes you appear taller. Advanced variation. Lift one leg at a time while tilting your pelvis to challenge your balance and core further. Mistakes to avoid. Don't arch your back too much. Movement should be controlled and smooth. Pro tip. Perform 10-50 reps every morning. One inspiring story. A 35-year-old office worker practiced daily for 3 months. And not only did his posture improve dramatically, he also noticed a subtle increase in height. 2. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch targets the entire spine. Get on your hands and knees. Arc your back, lifting your tailbone and head. La-cow position. Then round your back, tucking your chin to your chest. The cat position. Repeat slowly. Benefit. This movement increases spinal flexibility, loosens tension from prolonged sitting, and encourages proper spinal alignment, which helps you grow taller naturally. Advanced variation. Hold each position for 5-10 seconds and add deep, slow breaths. This enhances spine mobility and relieves chronic back stiffness. Pro tip. Perform 10-15 cycles daily. Over time, your spine will feel longer, more flexible, and upright. 3. Cobra pose. The cobra pose is a fundamental yoga move. Lie face down, place your hands under your shoulders, and lift your chest and head, while keeping your hips grounded. Why it works. Strengthens the back muscles, stretches the front body, and encourages an upright posture. Consistent practice counteracts slouching and can help you grow taller by decompressing the spine. Advanced variation. Extend your arms slightly forward while lifting the chest to deepen the stretch. Mistakes to avoid. Don't strain your lower back. Focus on lifting with your upper back and engaging core muscles. Pro tip. Hold for 10-20 seconds. Repeat 3-5 times. Many beginners report improved posture and a noticeable sense of heightening. 4. Bridge pose. The bridge pose is excellent for lower back, glutes, and core strength. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes and lower back. Hold, then gently lower. Why it works? Strengthens spinal support muscles and stretches the front body. A strong spine improves posture, making you appear taller. Advanced variation. Try lifting one leg at a time while in the bridge position to engage obliques and core. Mistakes to avoid. Don't overarch your back. Keep movements controlled. Pro tip. Perform 10-12 reps daily, alternating with pelvic tilts for maximum benefit. Stories from users indicate visible posture improvement within 6-8 weeks. 5. Hanging exercise. Hanging from a pull-up bar is deceptively simple but extremely effective. Grab the bar and hang with arms fully extended. Gravity naturally decompresses your spine, relieving pressure from compressed discs. Why it works? This stretch elongates the spine and improves posture. Over time, your back feels longer and straighter. Advanced variation. Gently swing side to side or perform pull-ups to strengthen back muscles while stretching the spine. Mistakes to avoid. Avoid locking your elbows completely. Keep shoulders relaxed. Pro tip. Start with 20-30 seconds per set. 2 free sets per day. Many people report feeling 1-2 centimeters taller just from improved spinal decompression after 1 month. 6. Forward bend. Stretch. The forward bend stretch elongates the spine and hamstrings. Stand tall, bend from your hips, and reach toward your toes. Keep knees slightly bent if necessary. Why it works? Stretching the hamstrings and spine improves flexibility, reduces lower back tension, and contributes to a taller appearance. Advanced variation. Try alternating hand reaches or adding a twist for side spinal stretch. Mistakes to avoid. Don't force your reach. Allow your spine to stretch naturally. Pro tip, hold 20-30 seconds, repeat 2 phrases. Focus on deep breaths over weeks. This improves spinal length and posture. 7. Standing stretch. Wall reach. The standing stretch or wall reach is simple but highly effective. Stand with your back against a wall, feet hip width apart. Reach arms overhead as high as possible, stretching your entire body upward. Why it works? Activates spinal muscles, encourages upright posture, and reinforces proper body alignment. Regular practice trains your body to stand taller naturally. Advanced variation. Rise onto your toes while reaching to stretch calves and spine simultaneously. Mistakes to avoid. Don't arch your lower back. Keep glutes and core engaged. Pro tip, do this daily after morning routine. Many users report better posture, straighter spine, and a taller look within weeks. Extra tips to maximize height growth. Consistency over intensity. Short daily sessions are better than sporadic long walk. Sleep, 7-9 hours nightly allows spinal discs to regenerate. Nutrient, protein, calcium, vitamin D, and minerals support bones and muscles. Stay active, walk, stretch, or do light exercises throughout the day. Posture reminders, alarms, sticky notes, or apps help maintain upright posture. Mindset, confidence enhances perceived height. Stand tall to project strength. Daily micro stretches, even small stretches during work or school add up over time. Remember, height is not just genetics, it's also how you carry yourself. Consistently practicing these 7 exercises can improve posture, spinal alignment, and overall appearance. Even small improvements in spinal extension make you look taller and more confident. It doesn't matter if you're 15, 30, or 50. Start today, focus on form, and watch your posture improve over time. These small habits accumulate into noticeable changes. If you found these tips helpful, leave a comment below with your favorite exercise. Don't forget to subscribe to ZolvenX for more health, fitness, and looks maximizing strategies. Start today. Your taller, more confident self is waiting.